Hello Year 3, this is Mrs. Hepplewhite again. I am taking you through your maths lesson for this lovely Friday. So the first thing that I need you to do is get the short date 26.02.21 written into your book with the title Subtract Using Formal Methods underneath with the WILF underneath that. And if you finish that, have a quick go at doing the formal addition method to solve this sum here. So press pause and then press play when you are ready to go. So hopefully you've written down your short date and your title and your WILF. We are now going to quickly recap this one here, this little bit of total recall. So although we're doing the formal subtraction method today, it's always good to recap the other things that we've done, including the formal addition method. So you have to excuse me if my numbers don't look very good because I'm using my laptop trackpad to do this. And it's not the easiest thing to use. So 337 add 41. I'm going to get my straight line because it's super important that we use a straight line. There we go. And let's go back to my pen. Okay, so I start here. 7 add 1, which is 8. 3 add 4, which is 7. And 3 add nothing, which is 3. 378. Some of you might have found that really easy, but it's really good to keep practicing it and keep practicing the method. Okay, so well done. So we are, just like yesterday, going to do subtracting using the formal written method. The WILFs today are exactly the same as they were yesterday. So bronze is without exchanging, silver has one exchange, gold has multiple exchanges, and there are trickier problem-solving questions for challenge today. So again, I'd like you to start on either bronze, silver, or gold so that you're practicing that method, and then you can always move on to challenge if you need a little bit of an extra challenge at the end. The learning powers are also the same today, so making links with all of your learning about subtraction and place value will help you today. And planning, so how you're going to lay out your work, really, really key to getting your answers correct. So make sure that you're really focusing on your presentation today. So it says you tell me. I know that you can't tell me because I can't hear you through the screen, unfortunately. But I want you to pause the video anyway and have a little think. What would our key vocabulary be today? What key words do you think are important for today's lesson? So press pause and press play and I'll give you some answers. Okay, like I said, I can't hear you, which makes me really, really sad, but I'm going to write down some of our key vocabulary words today. So place value is really, really important, which includes our tens, our ones, and our hundreds. They are important for today. We've also got exchanging, which is an important term for today because we're going to be going for that for silver and gold. And we've also got subtraction because that is the method that we are using today. So well done if you thought of any of those. So it is going to be a super quick video today because we did quite a lot of this in depth yesterday. So today we are just going to be going through quite quickly. So remember, bronze is no exchanging, okay? Taking 2 digits away from 3 digits. So 157, take away 34. Let me grab my pen. Where is it? Where are you, pen? Let's go for a red pen today. So 157 take away 34. I always start in this column. 7 take away 4 is 3. 5 take away 3 is 2. And 1 take away nothing is 1. So straightforward in terms of there's no exchanging, but you do still need to make sure that you're laying it out and setting it out correctly. So that is bronze today, is subtraction with no exchanging. If you fancy having a go at silver today, there will be exchanging, okay? 162 take away 46. Let's lay this out correctly. 100, oh, funny 6. Like I said, I'm trying to use my trackpad, which is a bit odd. 162 take away 46. Really important that I line up my numbers correctly. So my 40 is going to go here because this is the tens column, okay? It's not going to go into the hundreds column, doesn't belong there. Not going to go into the ones column, it's going to go in the tens, 40, and then the 6 will go in the ones column. Excellent. 2 take away 6. Ooh, I can't do that without going below 0, which I do not want to do. So I'm going to exchange from the tens column. The 6 or the 60 will become a 5 or a 50, and the 10 that I've exchanged will go there. So now I'm going to do 12 take away 6, which is 6. 5 take away 4, which is 1. And 1 take away nothing, which is 1. So my answer is 116. Let's have a go at this one here. 308 87. And in fact, what I would like you to do is once I've finished writing this out, I would like you to pause the video and have a go at this one, and then you can come back and check the answer with me in a minute. So pause the video and have a go. Right, let's go through this together and see if we got the same answer. So 7 take away 8, can't do that without going below 0. So my 8 becomes a 7, and I'm going to pop that one on there. 17 take away 8. I cannot stress enough how important it is that you double check your counting and your subtraction, because quite often we rush through it, we get the wrong subtraction, and then the whole answer ends up being wrong. So 17 take away 8 is 9. 7 take away 5 is 2, and 3 take away nothing is 3. So I got 329. Did you? If you did, well done. If you didn't, just have a little check over and see where you might have gone wrong. So that is silver for today, one lot of exchanging. Now, if you're going for gold today, it does mean that there'll be double exchanging. It just means a little bit more work, but it's more challenging and more satisfying when you get it right. So 8 take away 9, I cannot do without going below 0, so I'm going to exchange. 4 is going to become a 3, and I'm going to pop the 10 that I've exchanged on here. 18 take away 9 is 9. 3 take away 5, 6 becomes a 5. 10 that I've exchanged goes on here. 13 take away 5 is 8, and 5 take away nothing is 5. So you can see there I've got two lots of exchanges, but because I've laid my sum out really carefully and neatly, it's a lot easier to see what's going on, and my exchanges and crossings out don't look quite so messy. So just another reminder to keep that presentation tip top today. And that is it from me in terms of teaching, because we had a good session of teaching yesterday, so it's a lot quicker today. If you're still not 100% sure and you'd like some more help, just go back and replay this video or replay yesterday's to have some more input on how to do the method. But here are your questions for today. So bronze here is no exchanging. Silver, you have 1 exchange. Gold, you have 2 exchanges. And once you've finished gold or any of the Wilfs, check your answers using the sheet provided on Teams, and then have a go at the word. It says world problems. They're not world problems. Have a go at the word problems. It's not going to let me change it. Let me just get rid of that there. It won't let me. Yes, it will. Word problems. The word problem sheet that is also on Teams. Don't forget to send a picture of your learning to your teacher today so that they can have a look, and I hope you feel much more confident after this week at using the formal written method for addition and subtraction. Have a good time, and I will speak to you very soon. Bye.